Sauerbraten. Easy sour roast. A main dish from Germany. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Put the roast into a deep bowl. Mix the vegetables, vinegar, seasonings and herbs and pour over the meat. Cover the meat and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 days, turning the meat once or twice a day. Step 2. Remove the roast from the marinade and wipe it dry with a paper towel. Step 3. In 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter, brown the meat in a Dutch oven. Step 4. Remove the meat and melt the remaining margarine or butter in a pot. Blend in the flour and add the strained marinade in the meat. Step 5. Cover and simmer for 2.5 to 3 hours or until the meat is very tender. Step 6. Remove the roast and blend the jelly and 5 gingersnaps, crumbled, into the juices in the pot. Add more gingersnaps if necessary to thicken the mixture or add some more jelly. Step 7. Serve the sliced meat covered in gravy. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.